What's up? It's your girl Pink Jeep Kiki, and we are here putting in my side rails before I get my new tires. Well, I'm not putting in my side rails. My dada is, because why would I do that? We're going to take those rock rails off right here, and we're going to put these side steps that I got from Amazon for about $159. I was gonna get the power side steps, but right now I don't feel like spending the money, so we're just gonna get the cheap ones just so I can get into the car, because once it's lifted, it's gonna be hard to get inside because I'm already climbing in. I also got these from Amazon, and I will leave a link to these down below, but these are some cute little duck valves that I will be adding to my new tires once I get them.
It's too hard, I will. Oh, it's good.
Look how dirty my car is. All this salt on it. Tis, tis, tis. It's gonna be clean soon. Coming soon. That's pretty easy. And that's easy. Y'all see those holes right there? All you gotta do is now put this up in there. So just remember, guys, the small end goes to the back and the big end goes to the front. That way, as they say, it will be flushed.
Okay.
Ooh, I like them already. Look. No cursing. The millennials does no work, and the boomers doing all the work. Alright, so first side is installed. After the first look, I will say that I don't like the gap in between here. I would like it to be flush, but from far away, I guess you can't really tell, but let me stand on it. All right. So that's nice though. So much better than hopping in. All right. All right, Dada, what equipment do we need to put this on?
You need like a 10 millimeter, 13 millimeter, and a 15 millimeter socket set. That's it.
That's it. Okay, all done. Ding. All right, we're done. And overall, I think it took about 45 to 50 minutes to put them on. We probably had a couple of problems with some screws and stuff like that, but it's on, and I would rate it, again, maybe a 7.5. It says that it holds up to 400 pounds, so, you know, it's good for what I need it for.